everyone, my name is Sine Marshall, and today I'm going to talk to you about my cool tool that's on Wordle. When you go and type in my link, www.wordle.net, it'll take you to this home screen. Wordle was designed by Jonathan Feinberg, and again, it can be found at www.wordle.net. Wordle is a site that allows you to make word clouds from words that you design. This is a great tool for your students because it enables them to have limitless creativity, as opposed to have to just do standardized assignments. They can come onto this site, they can be creative and using words. For example, if you wanted to assess them in comprehension and you guys just read Wizard of Oz or you just watched Wizard of Oz, then they can come onto this wonderful site and create them a word cloud answering whatever you needed to assess them with. So what you would do is you'll go to create your own, and in this dialog box right here you would just start typing in whatever words. So again, say if you ask them about what happened in the beginning of the Wizard of Oz, and then they'll be sitting there and they'll type, oh, well, I remember Dorothy and the house fell, and so then they can come on here and they can just start typing in everybody's name. Dorothy, she had a dog named Toto, and there was a wicked witch, and the house fell, and there were some munchkins. They were happy, and then whatever else you may want to type, blah blah blah, this, that, and so then at that point you click on go, and then Java will come up, and this is the application that you need to run Wordle with, and so you're going ahead and click on run. And at that point, all of your words are going to come up. So when this happens, you are able to edit everything. You can go over here to edit. You can undo your typing. You can redo your typing. You can go over to language, and you can look at the different languages, and you can put your whole word cloud in. You can go over here to font. You can change the font, like so. You can go back up to Gothic. I kind of like that one. I don't know why. And then you can go over to layout. You can have it any which way. You can have it horizontal. You can change the colors on there. If you want to, the backgrounds or whatever. It is so much that you could do on there. And then the fun part is when you can turn around and randomize everything, and to make it look however you want it to look, or for your students, however they want it to look. And then at that point, they can go to open it in a new window. They can turn around and print it. They can save it onto their drives and just do whatever. You can go into advanced mode, and you can be more creative with it. It's just different kind of questions that you may have. You can go up under the facts and see it says, if I could print, whatever the questions you may have. And like I say, it is just a really fun tool that I enjoy working with. I enjoy playing around with. You may have a moment in your classroom where, maybe you and the kids need a breather, and you need to just come together, and you're not doing any assignments. You just want to make some word clouds, and like I say, you just click on it, just type whatever. You go back to Dorothy, and then you go to go, and it just comes in, and you just start working on it, and you start being creative, and then your little hearts explore with no limits. It's very simple. It's not like you need a lot of different resources or whatever. You just come in, click, go to Wordle, and be creative. I enjoyed using this, and I really think your students will enjoy it as well. And again, it is www.wordle.net. Have fun. Thank you.